5 fast facts about art.
1.
Art has been around for thousands of years and is a way for people to express their thoughts, emotions, and ideas through creative means. Whether it's painting, sculpture, or even dance, art allows us to communicate without using words.
2.
Cave paintings are some of the oldest known forms of art. Ancient humans created these paintings on the walls of caves thousands of years ago. They often depict animals, hunting scenes, and symbols, and provide fascinating insights into the lives and cultures of early humans.
3.
Rocks, bones, and sticks were some of the earliest known art tools. Before the invention of modern tools, early artists had to be resourceful when finding materials for their artwork. They would use rocks or minerals as pigments for painting, bones or sticks as brushes or drawing tools, and even their fingers or hands to apply paint or create impressions.
4.
Clay was used to create the earliest sculptures. Clay is a versatile and abundant resource that can be molded and shaped easily. Artists would use clay to make sculptures of humans, animals, or deities, and then bake it to harden the sculpture. These clay sculptures provide us with a glimpse into the cultural beliefs of ancient civilizations.
5.
Art comes in many different forms and can be found all around us, not just in galleries or museums. Street art, for example, is a type of art created on public walls or surfaces. It often features vibrant colors and unique designs, and it can bring beauty and creativity to the city streets. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications, give us a like, and share us. Remember, you are awesome.